So yo, what's up guys? This is your boy Roy, and today we are gonna solve one of this code wars problem, which is simple pig Latin. And in this video we are gonna solve 2 to 3 questions just for practice, and to tell you all guys that my school exams are over. So I'm gonna upload video. This question is 5Q, and it is, I don't know why they have given this question 5Q. It deserves 7Q. Like, this question is like solving 5th grade maths paper to me. I'm not uh adding light to my skills, or I'm not what we can say, making proud of myself only, but I'm just telling that this is a very basic problem, and anyone with our average JavaScript knowledge would be able to solve this. So what this problem says that move the first letter of each word, first move the first letter of each word to the end of it, then add ay to the end of the word, leave punctuation marks untouched. So what this basically is saying, that if we have any word pig, okay, if we have any word pig, so we have to move this letter backward, so it will become IGP, and then we have to add AY. So this is the word which we have to produce, and we have to leave punctuation marks untouched. So let's do this. It will use joint, split, slice. So let's do this. First of all, we will give words. Let's create a variable words, and we will give it str dot split. So this will basically split the sentences into array, split the sentences into array with as a separator. So after that we are gonna let result is equal to words dot map. Map is the best function if you want to do anything with strings, so we will use this. After that, let's do word, and we want the, like, we don't want to change the punctuation marks, so we will write a if statement for that. We will use or operator equal to where is that? Okay, so we will return that word simply without any changes if they are equal to either one of these. Sorry if my English is not good. There may be some grammatical mistake, as English is my second language, but yeah, I'm trying my best. Uh, after this, let's add a statement for the move the letter and then add ay. So we will write that in this only, let result only, let it will go and take the index, like we all know that arrays start with 0, so it will take 0 index. No, slice method will take every word from one index to its last one. So yes, this is the thing, and at last we will add both. So first rest, then first letter, then a y. So let's do it. Now we will just um, return it with a joint function, so it would be properly joined into a sentence. Okay, now let's run the test and see if it is passing. Okay, so we have not put one AND operator here, oh sorry, OR operator, that's why this error came. Now let's run this. It is taking time, I don't know why. I think something is happening, it is taking too much time. As we can see, it is taking too much time. So one thing we can do, let's copy this thing and reload the page. Right. Okay, it is there only. Now we will test. Okay, we have not saved it. One more time, same error. Or operator, let's open this. Field result dot okay. Extra. So like we don't have to add this t join, just join, it is not joint. Boom, it's passed the server. Okay, there was an error, but now okay, it is resolved now. It should be passed. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the code which we have run and it has been passed. Very good. Let's see how others had completed this challenge. I know they have done it in 2 to 3 lines because they are extremely high developer. I'm not that much big. Oh my god, see, just 2 lines. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, no man, he has taken too much line, ma'am. I think you are wrong, ma'am. You are wrong. My code is better than his, but this code, man, just awesome. Amazing. Let's do another assignment. Wait a minute. First, I will read this one, then I will do this. So, yeah, bye. So, I have read this katana, and it is actually a hard one. So, I don't know I would be able to complete this katana, but first, let's see what we can do. Okay, we will first like mm, what we can say. Yes, first I think we can create a dictionary of words from 0 to 90. After 91 we will start adding. Then we can take a total and current, and like if any sentence has a word 100, we can multiply the current by 100,000, we can multiply with 1000, and we will return a total plus what we can say current. Okay, we will return total plus current. So I don't know how it is gonna be, but okay, so I'm gonna explain you. Wait a minute, let it be loading. Okay, it is loaded now. So how we are gonna do this? For example, 1 to 90. 1 to 90. 1 to 90. Wait a minute, I problem in writing, man. Okay, so 1 to 90. We are gonna write 1 to 90. Okay, 1 to 90. After that, if the word contains 1000 millions, we will start adding it with 1000 and million. Okay, so let's do this. How we are gonna do this? Like for example, any number is there 783,919. So first we will add first we will take like 7. After that 100, 700, we will add, we will like do that thing. Then 80. After that we will increase to 83, and we will then increase to 1000. So we will first do 783000. Then we will do for another, which is 919. So first 9, then 900, then 919. Then we will add both, and I think like that we would be able to do this. Let's do this thing, and I hope that we will complete this. So first of all, let's make an number object. So this will take time. So first I will write this, and then I will come to the video. Like 0 to 90 we have written, because after that we will start adding. And it is good. Now let's um, take one variable, words. String dot to lower case dot replace. So what this will do, this will basically this replace function will remove and, for example, 7892, like this one, it will remove. So now for the split function, it will split the thing by spaces or hyphens. So let's write that thing. So like this, just like that. After that we will assign two variables, let total and let current. Okay, let total 0 and let current we will also give 0. Okay, after that, for each word of words we will add one for loop. So for let words so like if it is a normal number like 120, so add its value to the current, so it will take that value and it will add its value to the uh, current one. Okay, so we will write. So sorry if I am not able to explain you, because this problem is a complex one, and like I'm I'm not a type of teacher. I'm just a student, so I don't know how to explain complex things. It is in my mind, but I cannot explain now. But you would understand if you know how to code. If the word a number and in numbers word, because we have taken total, because as we can see words is equal to string, so the string which got passed through, and after that in numbers we will check numbers we will check word, every word we will check, because words would be very much like big word 3592, so in which we will check each word 3005 like that. So yeah, with the number, and if the word is not equal to undefined, if it is not equal to undefined, then we will add current. This is same as writing current is equal to current plus word. This is just a shorthand which developer use. After this, we will write one else statement for thousand, million, and 100, because till I think, wait a minute, till 100 million we have to do, so that's why. So after this, in for only we will like else if, and else if the word
Coding with Lassi do. Coding with Lassi and Kudu there.
oh,
Yes. Coding और फाइल होती है.
रखो ना, जाना यहाँ से, इस रूम जा, जाना, गेट से हटाओ. So else if we will do, wait a minute, one again, not an error, syntax wrong. So if else if word is equal to word is wait a minute, what is happening, man? Wait a minute, guys, syntax error is coming very bad. I don't know what is happening to this. Else if just like that, and we will write word is equal to 100, word is equal to 100. What the hell, like we have to write line by line, man. What the, very bad code wars, very bad. 100, see what is happening on your screen, man. Then we will add current to 100, multiply, sorry, we will multiply current to sorry equal to 100. Okay, now it is okay. Now we will do same for 100 and for million. And let's copy this statement for 1000 USA and D, and for million would be how many 40, and million it is how many zero, man? In million how many zeros are there? I think it is 6 zeros are there, I think. Right, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, good. Means now I'm going to tell you what does this mean. For million one, I'm gonna tell you. So it is saying that. Wait a minute. So it is basically saying that if million means if any word contain million, then we will multiply the current by 1 million, and we will then add to the total, and then we will reset the current. I know that I'm not able to explain you if like, yeah, I'm not a teacher, so sorry for that, but I'm trying my best to tell you all what I mean. Now we will just return return total plus plus current. Return total plus current, and let's see. I hope that there would be no syntax error. If there would be any, we will solve that first time. Can we run? Okay. Wait a minute. What is syntax error in this one? Okay. I see. Curly braces here. Got it. Here, curly braces were missing, man. Got it. Now test. Now we will test. Number is not defined. Number is not defined. Okay, sorry. Sorry. It is numbers. Silly mistake, man. Silly mistake. Wait a minute. Okay. From that time, my nums lock was on. That's why this type of error was coming. Now numbers. Now here also numbers. Now let's test this. It should be pass. Finger cross. What is happening, man? Why this taking this much time, man? What is happening, man? What is happening? Taking too much time, man. Too much time it is taking. Wait a minute. So copy this and we will reload the page. I think one more page reload. Server error came. Too many server errors there, man. Too many servers error. So yeah, here was the error. I will just add. It was not saved last time. Now it is saved. Now we will do. Let's test this. What is happening? Code war. What is happening to your server, man? No, this is not my internet problem. My internet is good. If I show you, my internet is okay. Okay. Okay, it passed. Guys, it passed. Let's do attempt. It should be passed. 101. Okay, it failed the attempt. We will see expected 1 to equal to it has given and 230. 9. So wait a minute, give me time, I will solve this and then we will come on our computer screen. 1000, what we can do, let's do total we will add current, and current we will just multiply it by 1000, and then we will set the current 0. So we have done in both 1000 as you can see, and in million, and let's run the test now. Okay, it has passed. Now attempt again. Fail, man, again fail. What the hell is happening? Give me a minute. Everything is good still. Here is the basically we are gluing the things. We don't like, there should be space between them. Let attempt now. It's please, it should be solved. Okay, let's go. This was the error, man. Just this was space error. This is coding, man. Reality of coding. One, even one space can block the whole code. That's why coding is just an amazing thing. Even one space, as you can see, current example, live example, because of that one space, just space bar, man, my code was not running. But yeah, sorry for overreacting, but this is truth behind coding. That's why I love it. And let's see how others are solved. I know many pro players would solve this in 1 to 2 lines. Same thing, like me, same thing. He has done the same thing, where he has used very variable. This is little wrong. Want to see the small one? Actually, I think my one was only very small. They have done very big, man. I think mine is the smallest. Mine is the smallest. You have ranked up to 5Q in JavaScript. Let's go 5Q. We have done, our rank is 1Q. So I have to take one break now, because so one thing, I just am coming and we will solve the, let's see, next kata. Only 3 kata we will solve. So you guys, now we are gonna do cryptography practice. This is our third problem and last problem, so we first do it. So you have managed to encrypt an important message and you are trying to read it. You realize that that the message has been encoded and can be decoded by switching each letter with the corresponding letter. You also notice that each letter is paired with the letter that is coincides with when the alphabet is reversed. For each, A is encoded with Z. Okay, B is encoded, okay, from first to last one, and C is X. So for example, let's open this. So if A is there, and what is the A is first alphabet of our English system, and last is Z, so they would be encoded. So your, so this is like the sentence, and then we will, if we coincide or correspond it with the letter from starting from first, we will test from starting. For example, A is first, Z is last. So like that only we will do for each one. So yeah, it is easy. So let's first, I have to read this one more time, and let's go to the code one. Okay, first of all, ASCLL value of each number. Then, and for example, if we loop through each character, for example, let's say C. So if C is a space, add it, we will just add it to the result. Otherwise, first of all, we don't have to use no punctuation or capitals, only lowercase, but remember spaces. Okay, so this we have to do, no punctuation and capital. Okay, to see. So if it is for example, if it is C, and the ASCLL code of C is code of C. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I don't remember. I don't know C1, but let's do R. If the code is 144, so with that one formula is there. I don't formula is uh, wait a minute. So first of all, we will search ACC. So this is, so one formula is there. I don't know the formula name. I think it is at bas shipper. I don't know, but see, basically these are the code, and we are gonna do it for lowercase. So these are the code. First is 97, we have to remember it, and 122 is the last one. So first let's search. um, we will let's search at bas shipper. Okay, shipper formula formula. It is simple. So like this one. Okay, so this is the formula. So what we can do in a simple word, if I am gonna explain, first word is 97, second is 112, Z is 9112. So if we new, for example, C, so we will like do this one. C is equal to 97 plus bracket plus 122 minus like the then old like code of that C1. So for example, R is there. R code is 144. So first we will do 97 plus 122 minus 144. So it would be 97 plus 8 plus 105, and ACCL code of 105 is 105 is I. So the opposite or the mirror of R is I. This is, I know this is very easy problem, but sometimes it become a hard one. So let's do this. So first we will let empty string, we don't have to glue it, empty string. After that we will sorry, result, sorry, it is result. After that we have to for like we can do what we can do, like for C we will take C as a character. Okay, for character we will take C as a character, not alphabet C, don't confuse. We will take this one. After that in result we will add why I'm doing this, because for spaces what it has said, we have to remember the spaces. So yeah, for spaces we have to do it. So this code is just for space one, for maintaining the space thing. But wait a minute, for loop we forgot. Of message. sorry, mic fallen. Actually, I don't have a stand. One day I will buy. I do not having that much money now, but one day surely I will be rich. After that, else for let code one c dot code char code at, I think char code at, yeah, char code at 0, let new code, let new code is equal to 97 plus 122 minus code. This is basically to find the code, and then we will subtract. This is the formula. Today I also know this also existed, this decoder method. I think army military use this, but yeah, it is good that today I know. Knowledge is always good. We should grab everywhere. Then we will take string, then we'll convert it. Of course, this method just to convert a string from char code, string from char code, new code, string for char code, new code, and a minute. One error is there, one curly braces we have missed. Okay, don't have to put this here, just now it is okay. Okay, now it is good. Everything looks fine and it should run in first attempt only. I hope so, please. Okay, undefined, expected undefined to equal to high. Okay, one error came. Oh my god, let char code at new code at. Okay, sorry, where is, man, why we are not returning only? I am also an idiot. Let's go. Please, finger cross. Let's go. For today, this much is enough. I think now I will, yeah, in 30 days we will reach 1Q. Then our profile will look good to hiring managers, HR, so I can apply. So I can start applying for jobs. I know my English not that much good because it is my second language, but I'm trying my best to improve it. From in India, English is like, if anyone knows English, he's educated. This is the mindset of India. I don't know why, and yeah, this is not a correct mindset. Like in other countries like Russia or China, they prefer their language more than the English. But yeah, so this is the reality. But that's why in India, like if you ask, almost every kid knows English because from in Indian schools, from starting only from nursery to grade 12, English is prefer more than their native languages, just like Hindi or their native languages. So yeah, that's the thing. So peace and